What if I told you that you don't have to sit through a 30-minute YouTube video to get the educational content or advice you need? Imagine a quicker and more efficient way to get the information you're looking for. Enter ChatGPT. Let's cut to the chase and dive right in, and I'll show you how. Now over to ChatGPT, let's go directly to our GPT store. I'll search for the custom GPT free YouTube summarizer. That's the first one. I'll select that. And can you summarize this YouTube video? I'll go directly to my YouTube video. This is the YouTube video that I'm currently watching with the godfather of YouTube strategy, Petty Galloway interview. If you guys haven't heard of him, check him out, guys. He talks a lot about YouTube strategy. Okay, going back to ChatGPT, let me just paste this one in. Let's go. I'll allow that. This GPT rocks, thank you. And we have our summary of how to develop great YouTube videos, video ideas by Petty Galloway. Introduction, the main points, importance of ideas. That's brilliant because that was the main point that I noted. And then it goes through the main points, and then it summarized the conclusion. Even gave us the HTML article as well that we can save, and that's great. I'll just tell it to add some for the HTML article. Can you add some CSS styling, please? I just want it to look beautiful. And we have our HTML article with some basic CSS styling. Let's just copy that over to our Notepad application. Paste this one in. Let me just save that away. Okay, over to our computer. Let's see how that will look. Beautiful. How to develop great YouTube ideas. So your YouTube video summarized in less than 2 minutes, less than 1 minute. There you go, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.